These are ceiling fans at Canadian Tire. That one over there is a Canorm Mystic. It's another Canorm fan. SMC Royal Flush. And Home Collection. And some Hunters right here. And some of these I don't really know what they are. But I did know before, but now I don't. There's also some Banville Enviro fans in the store as well. Some gold lines. Yeah. One right there. There's a bunch of them in the store. I'm not gonna get them all.
Hold on.
One right here. Yeah. And another one down here. Some of these have fallen canopies. These are huge childhood fans. There's also some straight bladed ones in the garden center, which I'll film after this. And here's a row that hasn't been used for a while. Some more down there. And there's one right there. And then there is a one with the plug unplugged, or cord plug fans, and this one isn't plugged in. Oh, actually it is, but I guess it's not working. I thought this wasn't plugged in, but that's it now. After this, I'll take the ones in the garden center. Thanks for watching.